What's that saucer doing there?
I did all the dishes.
Oh well. Let's take care of it.
Oh man, dishes! Tom! Tom! Gonna give him some grief for this.
Oh, look at that pile of dishes! This is typical! Tom! Tom! Oh, man. Where's Mike? He's always complaining he's got to do Tom's dishes when Tom's not around. This place is all talk and no action. This is it! This is the last time I'm doing anyone's dishes around here!
Whoa, what a pile of dishes in the sink. Are any of the grown-ups around? I do everything in the house for $2.
Diane, you're not going to believe what I just saw. I went over to visit Jim, and as I looked in the kitchen window, I saw Linda get sucked into the sink. And after she was pulled in, she was replaced by a big pile of dishes.
Yeah. You know how crazy you sound right now? I'm sure you didn't see what you think you saw.
Oh, no. I know what I saw. I know it sounds crazy, but that's what I saw.
I'm sure there has to be some kind of mistake. You want to go over and check it out?
No, I don't think we should do it. I don't think we should go anywhere near that house.
Oh, come on. Let's just go see if anyone's home, and we can clear this all up.
I think that's a bad idea. No, we shouldn't do it.
Come on, Itchy Pants. They won't bite.
All right, let's go. Linda, you're all right.
Of course I'm alright, Jack. Why wouldn't I be?
But Linda, I saw you. I mean, you were... The window. I saw the sink. But didn't you... You were...
What did you see, Jack?
I think Jack might have had too much sun in his eyes. Or caught a little too much of his reflection in the window.
What's this about Jack having too much sun in his eyes?
Oh, it's nothing really. We don't mean to bother you.
You're not bothering us. Won't you come in for a few moments?
Well, I guess we could for a few minutes. Come on, Jack.
Yeah, listen, it's really good to see you guys, but we were just stopping in. We really need to go.
Surely you could stay for a cup of tea.
Thanks, but we really should be going.
I don't think we have to leave so soon. We're not in any hurry, are we, Jack?
You're
not
really
in any
need to
hurry,
leave.
are you, Jack?
I'm serious. I really just need to leave.
You could stay for tea, couldn't you, Diane?
I think I'd really like a cup of tea.
You sure you don't want one too, Jack?
Really good tea.
You can stay for a cup of tea.
No, I've really got to go.
What's wrong with him?
I don't know, he's been acting strange lately.
Strange. In what way?
I don't know exactly. He's just not himself lately. Exactly.
We all feel that way sometimes. I wouldn't worry about it. But say, Diane, could you wash out a few of those dishes while I put on the hot water for the tea?
Guess I could. Wow. Where did all these dishes come from?
I don't know. Something just seems wrong. Diane, is that you?
Of course it's me, Jack. Who else would it be?
I don't know, Diane. I don't know. It just seems that something's strange going on over at Jim's house.
Sure, you're just imagining things.
Oh, maybe. And I just can't put my finger on it, but something seems strange. They're all different somehow. And did you see? Tom had a little tag on the back of his neck.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know what it is exactly, but I know I've seen it someplace else before.
Maybe you just need something to take your mind off things. A little mindless labor is good for the soul. Why don't you try to do those dishes in the sink?
You're probably right. I don't know what's come over me. They've gotten to you too. You're not you. They've taken you over. They've changed you. You're someone or something else.
Don't you think maybe you should do those dishes now?
No, I'm not doing any dishes. I know how this works now. That's how they get you. When you go to wash the dishes.
Why don't you come to the sink and I'll show you how wrong you are.
No! I'm not washing any more dishes. Not now, not ever!
You're not really afraid of a pile of dishes, are you?
Leave this. I've got to warn them. I've got to tell people before it's too late. I've got to stop them from washing their dishes. Oh, something about that symbol. On the tag, I know I've seen it someplace before. It's very familiar. Where have I seen it? Where? Oh my God! That's it! And there's the truck! I've got to stop them! I've got to stop them! Stop! Stop! You don't know what you're doing! You don't know what you're doing! You don't know what you're doing!
Yes, officer. That's what happened. He ran out in front of my truck. I couldn't stop. check.